some would say we can make something out of nothing. We have rescued these drawers from the garbage. And I think what I'm going to make of them, the color is a little bit hot. So what we're going to do is we're painting the knobs black. We're going to give this another coat of a really pretty, again, mineral paint. And I've already installed these little brackets, wooden brackets, and what we're going to do is we're going to make these into tables. So it's very exciting. So we're just giving this a coat of this mineral paint. It's really settling down the hotness of that pink. The mineral paint really only needs one coat, but I think we'll give it a couple of coats, but really it goes on so nicely. It'd be nice to see these really transformed. We're using the old boards from my garage. We have some left over, so from our previous episodes. So we're going to be using those as the backing for the tables, and it's going to look really interesting, I think. So we're just measuring them out, and then we will cut them on the saw. We have put the old board into the backing of the drawer, and it looks really amazing. We're going to be putting in a shelf here. We've got the brackets here for them already. We're going to put the legs on. It's a very rustic approach to it. We're going to kind of modernize it a little bit by using like the black, painting the black knobs and the black legs. So it should look kind of really interesting. And you'll see what we're going to do with the shelf too. It's going to be a little bit of a different color. It's going to be awesome. We finished painting the board, and with, again, the same kind of tone as this, like a lot lighter, just to give that really nice contrast between the dark color and the light. Also, I found that the board and the color was really dark, so this kind of brings in the light. So it looks really awesome, really pretty. The legs were finished in black just to kind of give it a modern feel against all of this rustic nature. So it's awesome. It turned out really great. The boards are uneven, just kind of adds to all of that kind of rustic, you know, kind of, what's the word for it? You know, kind of boho chic or whatever, I'm not sure. Thank you for watching our YouTube show. Remember to share, watch, but especially subscribe. And also, it's really important to recycle, repurpose, to reduce, and keep things out of the landfill. Remember, this was made from garbage, so it's awesome. Reduce, recycle, okay, again. Okay.